Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working on NUBIA Neo 3. Let's begin. First, we want to simply go into our settings. I will quickly restart the settings, and now you want to head into a section called Display. In here, we have our brightness level, and right next to it, automatic brightness. As you can see, it is currently disabled, which means that the auto brightness feature just doesn't work. If you want to get it to work, you can just enable the automatic brightness, and we can already see that it automatically went up, and it went so up that I'm going to keep it disabled because I want my videos to be clearly visible. However, once again, if you want to fix the auto brightness working, just make sure that you have this enabled. However, if for some reason it still doesn't work for you, I would advise you to just clean the sensors that are built into your camera by using some sort of microfiber cloth like this one. And that's literally all you need. This is because the sensors that are built in camera are used to, well, detect the light level around you, and then they use this data to actually feed the auto brightness feature. And lastly, we can try to reboot our device, and I believe that we can do that by just pressing, by just pressing and holding the power button, and then going into restart, just like that. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.